Hey everyone, in this video I will show you what to do if your Windows 11 keeps freezing. So let's get started. So the first method that we need to try is to run a system file scan. To do that we need to open the command prompt. So just go to search and type CMD and then make sure you run it as administrator. In the command prompt type these commands one by one and each commands might take a bit time. So after the scan's completed, then restart your computer and check to see if the problem still persists. And the next useful method to try is to run a disk scan. So to do that, just open up the command prompt again by going to your search and type CMD again and run as administrator. Once you open the command prompt window, just type this command or copy and paste the command from the description below. And wait for the scan to complete. Then after that, check to see if you're still having a problem. The other useful solution is to expand the virtual memory allocation. So to do that, press the Windows button and just type in there performance of Windows and open up this one. So in here we need to click on Advanced tab. Then after that, click on Change. Then we need to uncheck this option, automatically manage paging file size for all drivers. Then after that, what we need to do, select custom size. In the initial size box, make sure to type the recommended value, which will be at the bottom in here is showing recommended. So in my case, for example, it's showing 1868. So you need to check yours and whatever is showing for recommended, then you need to type in here. And then after that, click OK to save the changes. Then restart your computer and check to see if the problem still persists. The other option is to reduce your monitor resolution settings. So to do that, just right click on your desktop and then just select display settings. Once you open the display settings, then look for display resolution. And then on the right side, you have a drop down menu. Just open it up and select different resolution. Once you do that, then check to see if this resolves the issue. If you tried all the options and still there is no lock, then you can reset your Windows 11 to factory defaults. And to do that, just go to your computer settings and open up the settings. Then select System and then look for Recovery. Click on Recovery and then select Reset PC. Then in here, choose the option that you want to reset your PC and follow the procedure. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.